guys, make sure to check out the Monkey Poo Show Discord for more interaction with the creators of the show. And yeah. Oh, hello guys, welcome to PanPan's Cooking Show. Today we're gonna be making chicken noodle soup.
Just a little disclaimer, the creators don't know how to handle real meat, so they're gonna be using chicken broth instead. Okay, now for the ingredients. Some carrots, some celery, some egg noodles, and some chicken broth. Okay, first wash your hands. Okay, so first we peel the carrots. And then we got the carrots. And now we wash the celery. And then we cut the celery. Okay, after we put the celery and the carrots in the Instant Pot, we put the broth in. Oh, now we put the noodles in. Okay. Okay, now we're just supposed to cook and then set the minutes. And now we just wait. Oh.